Have you ever prayed for relief and instead of relief, God gives you more pressure in life? Kung yan ang na-experience nyo, you got to finish this episode. Hi there, this is Shinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Alam mo, ito yung parang reality sa buhay. No? Minsan pag nagpe-pray po tayo, imbis na matanggal ang pressure, ang binibigay sa atin ni Lord, binibigyan tayo ng lakas para ma-overcome yung mga problema. Actually, yun ang reality eh. Strength is often the provision that carries us until such time we achieve what we want in life. Ang pagkakamali ng karamihan, ang pinagpe-pray nila, Lord, please take this cup of suffering away from me. Just like how Jesus prayed in the Garden of Gethsemane. Kaya nga sa episode natin na ito, pag-uusapan po natin how you can recognize strength as actually an answered prayer. And believe me, there will be seasons in your life that nothing will change. But the good news is this, God will change the situation for you. Lahat po tayo may mga pinagdadaanan na challenges sa buhay. Kung ikaw ay dumadaan sa matinding challenge right now, type me sa comment section. So you pray that the load will be lifted, yung problema na matapos na, matanggal yung pressure, yung stress sa'yo. But instead, nasagutin ni Lord, ay lalo ka pang nadidiin na hindi mo alam na sinasagot na pala ni God ang prayer mo. Ha? Paano yan, Chinky? The reality is this, not all answered prayer looks like an answered prayer. Sometimes, ang ginagawa ni Lord sa buhay natin, hindi niya tinatanggal yung bigat, pero binibigyan ka niya ng kalakasan para ma-overcome ang problema. Diba? Yun naman exactly na ginawa ni God kay Jesus when He prayed, diba? When He was about to sacrifice His life. Sabi niya, please take this cup of suffering away from me. But God answered by not taking away the cup of suffering, but God answered by giving the grace to overcome that suffering. Kaya nga yung ending na sinabi ni Jesus in the prayer, not my will, but your will be done. Honestly, there are seasons in my life, and also in your life, na I'm sure na during that time na feeling mo talagang end of the world na. Do you agree? Pero nalagpasan mo. Hindi dahil magaling ka, dahil God gave you the provision and the answered prayer. And the answered prayer, He gave you the grace and the strength to overcome. So I want you to reflect and ask yourself, where in your life are you still standing against yung expectation? Yung feeling mo talaga, talagang challenging to, Lord, tanggalin mo na to. Pero alam mo, God is giving you the strength. Reality is this, strength doesn't feel like an answered prayer. It feels like sometimes, na lalong tumatagal ka sa sitwasyon, parang delay siya. Kasi gusto natin shortcut eh. Gusto natin mabilisan ang sagot, lalo kung may problema tayo sa pera. Lord, bayaran mo na tong utang ko para wala na akong problema. Pero na hindi mo alam, binibigyan ka ng grace ni Lord, ang dahan-dahan mo binabayaran ng utang mo. Oo, bakit? Kasi gusto ka niyang turuan ng leksyon. Honestly, pagka binibigyan ka ng grace at saka ng strength ni Lord, endurance is not neglect. Kasi gusto ko ng turuan ni Lord eh. Kaya nga, I just want to encourage you. Paano malaman na yung signs that God is providing kahit na medyo mahirap ang sitwasyon? Number one, pagod ka pero hindi ka talunan. That's number one. So, yung parang, Lord, talagang kapoy na ako. Pero alam mong may pag-asa eh. Number two, pressured ka pero alam mong may choice ka. Diba? Nakakapag-isip ka pa ng tama. Number three, stretch ka pero alam mo may grace eh. May grace na talagang para malabanan mo itong problema na ito. Alam mo, yan ang tinatawag na grace from God, the strength from God. Kaya nga, ang prayer dapat natin, again, should not be, Lord, please take this cup of suffering away from me. Dapat ang prayer dapat natin, give me the grace to be able to overcome these challenges in life. Alam mo, reality is this. Blessing in disguise to eh. Kung tinanggal ni Lord ang problema mo tungkol sa mga financial challenges mo, alam mo mangyari, hindi ka mag-grow. Pangalawa, uulitin mo lahat ng pagkakamali mo sa buhay. And then number three, hindi ka pa handa sa malaking blessing ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Pero pag ikaw hinubog ka ng oras, nalagpasan mo tong pagsubok na ito, itong challenge na ito, alam mo, that is the only time that God can really answer your prayer. Kaya nga, uulitin ko, pag binigyan ka ng grace, binigyan ng strength, it is not neglect. Kahit na may pressure ka, God will give you the provision. And then yung strength prepares you for success. Again, God is our provider. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, it's not just about pera. It's all about wisdom. It's all about strength. It's all about opportunities and His timing. So I want for you to think, reflect, and apply right now. Ano yung mabigat sa buhay mo ngayon na pinagdadaanan mo? Pero alam mo, binibigyan ka ng kalakasan ni Lord na para ma-overcome to. Take a moment today to thank God, not for relief, but actually for His strength. Sana naliwanagan ka sa episode na ito at na-encourage kita. And if you like again to continue this series, we have a few more. So type continue in the comment section. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.